Hello, and welcome to another wonderful Wired Wednesday. My name is Ashley, and this is Mail Folders for iPhone and iPad. So I am on an iPad. If you have an iPad or an iPhone, which is an Apple device, you're going to go to the Mail app. So once you get into the Mail app, it's going to show you the last thing that you had open. So I'm going to go now up to the top, and you're going to see on the left-hand side, you're going to hit the inbox, and then to go over to deal with your folders and your mailboxes, you're just going to hit this back button here. And now you can see we're in the mailbox area. One of the issues that people have a lot when they come into the library is that they make their mailboxes disappear on their iPhone or their iPad. And this can be done quite easily just by, a flick of some fingers and things like that. So I'm going to show you first how to bring those back, because it actually is a problem that people are having. So if you go to this edit part here, you can see that there are some things that are checked off. You can uncheck these. So whether you mean to or not, sometimes you could uncheck them by accident. And when you hit done, your inbox is gone. And a lot of time people come into the library and they're really upset because they think they've lost everything. Don't worry, we can fix this. You're going to hit edit again, and you're going to go back in, and you're just going to check off the boxes that you have there, and then hit done, and your inbox will come back. To add a folder or a mailbox, as they call them, we're going to do that right now. So you're going to go into edit again, and then you can see down here at the bottom it says new mailbox. So we're going to hit that, and now we're going to name this mailbox. So you can name it whatever you'd like, and you can even add emojis into it if you'd like, just to make it into a folder. So I'm going to say travel. And I'm just going to add a little dude with sunglasses. And then your mailbox location. So I'm just going to hit Gmail. If you have more than one mailbox in your Apple Mail, that's totally okay. You can just pick which mailbox you would like this new mailbox or folder to be attached to. And then hit save. We're going to hit done at the top. And there it is. So for this, I had to actually get out of the Mail app and go back in again for it to show up. So it might take a few minutes to come in. If not, what you can always do is just get out of the actual app itself and go back in, and the travel is sitting right there now. So you can see when I click on this, there's travel and I have nothing in it. So now I'm going to go back. So say now if you want to add something to this mailbox. So if you go in and you say you want to pick something, I'm just going to pick a random one. You can actually just drag and drop it into the travel area. And then we go back to travel, and there it is there. You can add as many photos as you would like to add, photos, emails, whatever, into these different mailboxes that you have. They basically work the same way as a folder. Now, if you go into Gmail, because this is connected to Gmail for me right now, a lot of people have a Gmail, but they use the Mail app on their Apple iPhone or iPad to do that. If you go into Gmail, it will say it's a label. So if you go into Gmail on a computer or you go into Gmail through the Gmail app, you'll see this come up as a label, is what they call it, instead of a folder, because that's just what Gmail calls them. Apple calls them mailboxes. Gmail calls them labels. So you can see here that these are the different folders that I have, mailboxes that I have, labels that I have. And then you can go through and you can take a look. You have your inbox, your VIP, for example, is here as well. So I don't have anybody in my VIP. So I'll show you right now as well how to add that. So say, for example, I want to add Elisa to my VIP. So I'm going to go into her email. I'm going to hit her name, and I'm going to go add to VIP. So when she sends me a message, it will come to the top and it will have a star next to it, just like it does here. And then if you go back to your VIP, you can see here that I've put this email in there because everything that's VIP will go into this VIP area. So if you check off somebody as being a VIP, everything will show up here. So you can come here first to take a look at things, and you'll see stars beside their name. And you can take them off the same way you put them on, just by doing the click and then just saying remove from VIP. And that's folders for Apple iPad and Apple iPhone. Have a great day.